Hey you guys, so I just got this microphone from Best Buy. It is the JLab Talk Pro USB microphone. I've actually gone through a couple of microphones, so there's a reason why I haven't had any videos lately. One, I got a new computer. So this is my new computer. I got an MSI GS66 computer, and I've been trying to figure out how exactly to work it. So there's that, and then I've been looking for a microphone just because I kind of want to make my voiceovers and stuff sound better. So this is the JLab Talk Pro USB mic. I have actually been searching for a Blue Yeti and I was not able to find one. Then I finally found one and I brought it home and it was actually broken. So I took that back and I tried the Blue Snowball, and I don't know, I just didn't love it, so I took that one back too. So we are here, and so I guess it's like a newer mic on the market. I'm not really sure, but I didn't see a lot of reviews on it. So this one actually costs a little bit more than the Blue Yeti. I think it costs about $20 more than the Blue Yeti, but it was available in my store. They had one in stock. I prefer the actual microphone shape to the Blue Snowball. This is a little more similar to what you would get with a regular microphone or like a Blue Yeti. So I'm not super techie, so I don't know. If you're looking for a super tech review, this is not your video. But I do record voiceovers for YouTube. I do a lot of meetings and I stream video games. So that's what I do. So this is a lot lighter, I would say, than the Blue Yeti. And I don't know, it comes with the mic, and then I guess this is the stand. Yeah. Hey you guys, so I am back with my JLab Talk Pro USB microphone, and I have it all set up. It's connected. We are here. So this is the sound straight in the microphone. I have adjusted my noise cancellation on my OBS Studio because that's what I use when I record gaming videos or I stream or any of that. So I noticed that you could hear my mouse a lot. So this is me clicking my mouse while I'm talking, and I'm talking and clicking and talking and clicking. So that's what that sounds like. This is it without me talking, and I am going to be clicking my mouse. So that's what that sounds like. And I'm recording directly from my laptop, so I'm not using my camera. So if the quality is not the best, that's why. But here we are. So this is the microphone. I have it on the first setting. So the first setting is just where it records directly from the front. On the back, you'll notice that you have two knobs, and that is for your gain and your volume. So if you are adjusting the gain, it's green, the volume is blue. I have my gain pretty high up because I talk pretty low sometimes, so I have the gain kind of high. If you talk louder, you might not need that, but I talk pretty low, surprisingly. So also on the front, there is a mute button. So now I'm unmuted, so that's that. This button down here, you can change the direction of the sound that the mic is picking up. So if I click it, this one is Omni, so it's recording all around the microphone. So you're able to just turn it and talk. So if you are recording like a podcast or something where you have multiple people all around the table, this is super helpful. And with that, it's really convenient to just pack this mic up. You just, and go, just stick it in your bag. So the stand's really nice. So the next setting is stereo, and so that, lets you record from the right and the left and the right. So that's what that sounds like. The next one is Bi-Directional. And so that one lets you record, you know, from the front of the mic and the back of the mic. So a 2-person setup, that's your thing right there. So I'm just gonna put it back on the original setting. And what else? Since we're talking about buttons, on the bottom, you're able to change these lights. And I love it. I love this. It goes really good with my setup because there's lights everywhere. So, and this is like the multicolor, and yeah. So if you're into LED lights, RGB lights, you got it. Okay. On the bottom, there's also a microphone. Nope. A headphone. There's also a headphone jack right here, and there is the mount connector thingy. So if you get a boom arm, you're good to go. It's a 5/8 inch, and yeah, I think that's about everything. The microphone itself is very lightweight. I really love it. It was easy to set it up, and it's a lot lighter than the Blue Yeti was, in my opinion. So that is definitely a plus for me. It says that it works with Windows 7, 8, and 10, and also Mac OS 10 or higher. So yeah, that's about it. I was not able to find any sound tests when I was looking at this microphone when I first saw it online. So I wanted to go ahead and do a sound test and show you what it sounds like, just for me, a beginner, a person who just does voiceovers and sometimes plays video games. So if you are interested in more videos about my setup or my technology, I'm not really a techie or anything, but I do have a lot of stuff. I've been really setting up like my desk since I switched over to a PC. I bought an MSI GS66. I think I said that already. I bought a little gaming laptop. So I have that, and then I have like other stuff that I'm getting to set up, like my home office, since, you know, with everything going on in the world, we are at home, okay? So if you are interested in more of my videos, please like, please subscribe, please stay around. And that's it. That's all I have for this microphone. It's great. It's amazing. It's wonderful. The price is the con, I think. It's a little more expensive than your Blue Yeti. I saw the Blue Yeti for like $120. This costs like $140, but I mean, you're getting the lights. I think lights sometimes cost a little more, I guess. So if this is more your style, more your thing, then it's a great option. It was available in the store, unlike many other microphones. So also a great option for that reason. And that's all I have, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.